Welcome back to Blog Hub Point's YouTube channel. In today's video, we're diving into CSS font properties. These properties are key in web design to control how text looks, including things like font family, size, weight, how bold or light the text is, and style, whether it's italicized or normal. Understanding these properties helps designers make text more readable and visually engaging, while also setting the tone and structure of the content. There are several important font properties that every web page should use. These include font size, font weight, font style, font family, font stretch, font variant, and line height. In this video, we'll specifically focus on the font size property. Font sizes come in various values, each chosen based on specific requirements. To better understand them, we categorize these values. One category includes absolute sizes, commonly referred to as medium, small, and large, along with extra small and extra large. Another category covers relative types, which adjust based on other elements in the design. We also see font sizes in unit measurements, percentages, and global values. We use the most important types of values from these categories. Let's look at an example. We have an H1 heading tag and a P paragraph tag, which will be displayed on the browser. We apply a font size to it. First, we write the CSS selector for the H1 tag. Inside that selector, we add the font size property and set its value to large. Then, we can view the result in the browser. The default size is larger, and as you know, absolute size is used for medium. If we use a relative value that's larger, the text size will appear smaller. But if we apply extra large, the heading text size will increase. The H1 tag is important for SEO, and sometimes we apply predefined pixel values, both relative and absolute, depending on our requirements. If those values don't meet the needs, we can use unit measurement values for better control. Here's a list of unit measurements used for font size in sequence. The first unit is called point, commonly used for documents. Next, we have pixel, which is a relative size commonly used in web design and is greater than points. After pixels comes em, which is used based on specific requirements and is bigger compared to pixels. Following em is rem, also known as root em, where 1 rem equals the default size of the element's font. Lastly, there's percentage, which is used as a ratio for sizing. For example, when you set the font size to 12 points, the heading appears smaller. If you set it to 20px, the heading becomes medium-sized. When you set it to 4 rem, the heading grows extra large. But if you use 2 rem, the heading size matches the root element. The 2 rem is equal to 32 pixels. Now let's use the font size in a paragraph tag. First, create a PCSS selector and set the font size inside it. When you set the font size to 10px, the paragraph text becomes small. If you set it to 1 rem, it will show the default size of the element. For example, if you set it to 16px, the size stays the same because 1 rem equals 16px. Thanks for watching the video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.